What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. Y'all, today we'll be exploring 8 amazing home remedies to get rid of pigmentation on the body. Something you can try right now. You can go to your kitchen for most of these items. This is it. So you gotta stick and stay until the end to explore 8 amazing home remedies to get rid of pigmentation. Y'all, before we get into the video, go ahead, drop a like on the video right now, because this is one you've been waiting for. Absolutely drop a like on it, and then if that little bell that says subscribe is red, now is the time to go ahead and change the color. Click it, subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell to all, and that way you won't miss another video, and I appreciate you 100-fold. I promise you that. And beautiful babes, it's now time to get into the 8 remedies. We've got to get this going so this video won't be too long. Let's go. All right, beautiful babes, 8 amazing home remedies to get rid of pigmentation on your body. And you can get ready to try these right now, because I'm pretty sure you have some of these ingredients at home. We're starting with aloe vera. Aloe vera has nourishing as well as antioxidant properties that help repair your skin and encourage skin rejuvenation. It can even alleviate hyperpigmentation, fade dark skin patches, and restore your skin's original color. Extract pure aloe vera gel from the leaf and massage it directly on the affected skin. Allow it to sit for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Repeat this once or twice daily for fast results. Now, alternatively, if you don't have a aloe vera leaf, you can use the store-bought aloe vera, but the aloe vera plant is so much better. Now, another option you can do is mix a few drops of almond oil in 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply this mixture on your inner thighs and massage gently until it is absorbed into your skin. Wait 15 minutes, then rinse your skin with water. You can use this 2 times a day. Let's talk about yogurt. Yogurt is a very gentle bleaching agent that can lighten the color of your inner thighs thanks to its lactic acid, plus its zinc content combats sunburn. Gently rub some plain yogurt on your inner thighs. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this simple treatment once daily. Alternatively, mix the juice of a half of a lemon with 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt, preferably sour yogurt, Greek yogurt, etc. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric and gram flour. Apply it on the affected skin and allow it to dry. With a little water on your hands, gently rub off this pack. Rinse your thighs with warm water. You can use this 2 to 3 times a week. The next remedy is lemon. The acidic property of lemon works as a natural bleaching agent for dark skin. The high vitamin C content also encourages new cell growth and is very good for your skin complexion. Use a lemon to lighten dark inner thighs. Just simply apply lemon juice to your dark inner thighs using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with cold water. Repeat this 2 or 3 times per week. Those who have sensitive skin must dilute the lemon juice with water. Here's an alternative remedy. Combine 1 tablespoon each of lemon juice and glycerin. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water and mix well. Apply this pack on your inner thighs before going to bed. Leave it on overnight and rinse it off with warm water the next morning. Do this once daily. As lemon can dry out your skin, apply a moisturizer after using these remedies. And also avoid applying lemon on recently waxed or shaved thighs, or if there are any cuts. Then we have oatmeal. Oatmeal is great to lighten the complexion of your dark thighs. Regular exfoliation of dead skin cells is necessary. For exfoliation, oatmeal is one of the best ingredients you can use at home. Exfoliating also leaves the skin supple and soft. The way you do it, mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with enough tomato juice to make a thick paste. And aha, you found me out. I don't have a fresh tomato here. I actually have ketchup, which is full of tomato, of course. Just apply the paste once you mix it up on the thighs. Allow it to sit for 20 minutes and then rub it gently using a little water to scrub off the dead skin. Finally, rinse it off with cold water. Do this 2 or 3 times a week. Another option is to mix a few drops of lemon juice and a pinch of turmeric in 1 teaspoon of oatmeal powder. Use it as I mentioned earlier. Then we have cucumbers. The natural bleaching property of cucumbers can help lighten dark inner thighs. In addition, several components in cucumbers help repair skin cells and remove dead skin cells. The soothing nature of cucumbers suits all skin types. Gently rub the cucumber slices or cucumber juice on your thighs for 10 minutes. Wait 5 minutes, then rinse it off with water. Repeat once or twice daily. Alternatively, mix equal amounts of cucumber juice and lemon juice. Stir in a little turmeric and sandalwood powder. Apply it on your thighs for 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this once daily. Now getting to one of my favorite ones, which is coconut oil. Coconut oil also helps lighten hyperpigmentation and revitalizes the skin. Plus, its antioxidant and moisturizing properties helps you maintain soft and younger looking skin. Just mix 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Apply this solution on your inner thighs and massage gently for 10 to 15 minutes. Wait another 5 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Use this treatment every other day. Now we're moving on to turmeric powder. Turmeric inhibits melanin production, so you can use it to treat skin discoloration and maintain an even skin tone. Mix a little turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of sour cream. Rub it gently on your inner thighs. Allow it to dry before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Use this remedy once daily. And you can also mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder with enough orange juice to make a paste. Apply it on your dark inner thighs and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Use warm water to remove the paste. Do this once daily. And I know I keep mentioning dark inner thighs, but this is for anywhere on your body, your neck, your elbows, your knees, your inner thighs. It works. Then finally, we have baking soda. Now we know baking soda also helps to improve a dark complexion of your inner thighs. It works as an exfoliating agent to remove even sun-damaged skin that has been darkened by the sun. Mix 1 tablespoon each of baking soda, also of sour cream, and make a paste. Add a little honey and mix well. Apply it on your thighs and rub gently in a circular motion for a couple of minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and repeat this remedy every other day. Absolutely amazing. I told you I had 8 amazing ingredients for helping with inner thigh darkness, dark necks, even underarms, your elbows and knees. This is to be used all over any problem area that's affected by pigmentation that you're trying to reduce the pigmentation on. This is for the body. Beautiful babes. Lots and lots of ingredients here. I want you to take a look at each one of these just to see which one would work best for your skin type. Do you need something gentle? Do you need something that's going to be a scrub? Hey, work these individually or collectively. Depends upon how you want to do it. I am your girl, Sweet Angel, bringing you something you can use today. And I hope you did, in fact, enjoy the video. If you did, make sure you let me know by putting a like on the video, dropping me a heart in the comment section. And if you don't have anything to say, I love to see those hearts. But if you have any further questions, make sure you leave them in the comments. I do appreciate it, beautiful babes. And again, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and be sure you hit the bell. Yes, do that, and that way you'll know each and every time I upload a video. And listen, don't keep me a secret. You got to make sure you tell everybody. Your girl, Sweet Angel, is right here on YouTube, bringing you something you can use. And the way you share it is just to share it and share it and share it with your world. And I appreciate you. And I will see y'all on the next video. Take care for now. Bye.
Your spirit